Most editors waste hours animating text because they don't steal presets like pros do. I'm about to give you free text animation presets for Premiere Pro that I use in my projects, including the one preset I use in almost every single edit. These are drag and drop text animation presets for Premiere Pro that instantly make your edits look more expensive. Preset number 1 is clean, preset number 2 is tasty, and preset number 3 is actually mega sauce. In fact, I'm giving it to you for free. It's actually a paid pack. I'm leaking it to you today, 100% free. Plus, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Preset number 1. This preset costs $0, and I use it in client work and even on my own YouTube videos. It's actually a MixKit preset. They give away a ton of presets and templates and a bunch of free stuff on their page. Most of the stuff on there is gimmicky and kind of outdated, but there's one single preset that's actual sauce. Drop it in Premiere, add text behind it, and you instantly get this clean bounce in animation. I use this for titles and text. I use this for graphics, and I use this for logos as well. They have a left animation and a right animation for Premiere Pro. They're literally both the exact same. They just come in from a different angle. But quick tip, do not use this on its own. You have to nest it if you're putting it into a normal sequence, or else it will animate the entire background or animate basically everything below that layer. Now, if you only use this preset, you'd save a ton of time, but the real sauce is coming up next. Preset number 2, we're going to be using the free Premiere Composer plugin for Premiere Pro. Now, they have an entire text animation preset section with 15 free text animation presets for Premiere Pro. These are perfect for when you want something quick that's literally just drag and drop. They have stuff like this decode effect, which when paired with some VR glow looks really tasty. They also have the overshoot from the bottom, which looks pretty nice, and the overshoot position and rotate and scale is also pretty clean for title scenes. There are 15. You probably won't use more than 3 or 4. Those are kind of like the only ones I go to, but it's 100% free, so you can't lose, and the plugin is very easy to download. Premiere Composer is linked below in the description, and by the way, we're still only on pack number 2. The real sauce, and my personal favorite, is coming up next. Preset number 3, the Pixel Experts pack, is usually paid. It's inside my paid community, VP+, but I'm leaking it to you today for free. All you have to do is load up a text layer, cut out the first 10 frames, and drag the preset on. These are my go-tos. The invert flashes is nice and subtle. The hard shake is not so subtle, but useful for certain projects. The soft shake is subtler. The offset and glitch is messy, but really good for certain effects if you're going for that kind of style. The zoom and glitch is a little bit cleaner, and the wave and flashes, that is my personal favorite. By the way, there's literally 20 presets inside this pack. I'm leaking it to you 100% for free, and these work for both text and transition, so feel free to use this however you want. You can also drag it to the first few frames of a new clip and like really easily, smoothly transition it in. If this video saved you time, comment sauce. Only 20% of people make it to the end of my videos, so if you comment sauce, I'll know you're one of the real ones who made it to the end of the video. And if you want to turn your editing into a real income and not just edit your own passion projects, check out my paid community Video Production Plus, link down below. If you're serious about making money from video editing in 2026, you should have been in there like yesterday. We just took Stinson, an editor from India, from $1K a month to $11,000 a month in literally 30 days. That's where I teach my exact system on how to land clients. Plus, I do live sessions inside for the community every single week, so you can jump on stage and actually talk to me personally, and I'll help you get clients. Oh, and by the way, if you use code 2026, you'll get him for $50 a month instead of $75 a month, which is what everyone else is paying. Click the link down below and join. Peace, guys. See you inside.